Hey guys, how's it going? I know it's crazy, right? Bitcoin has actually has tumbled down below the $50,000 mark, and actually was under like around 49,500 just some minutes ago. So you might be wondering what's going on. This is going to be a really brief video where we explore what's going on and what the perspective is, what can we expect from the price of Bitcoin, and that also to every other altcoin that is connected to the price of Bitcoin. So let's get started. Okay, so let's go see the web browser, and in here we will see, and I'm sorry for the audio and the video, I'm on a little vacation in San Antonio, and this is the video and sound from my phone, so I know you're used to better than this, but for now it will do. I didn't expect Bitcoin to drop so fast. Right now we are at 49,746. So it's 7:58 p.m. Central on the, what day is today? The 12th of May. So here's the thing. If you can see it, I'm on the daily chart. So again, each one of these bars is 1 day. So this is basically the day of today and universal time code. So that's the UK time. So we went all the way down here, and it dropped in just a few hours. And now we've broken a couple of supports or floors, however you want to call them. So we broke this one, 54,300. Once that happens, it's almost sure that we will tumble to the next strong floor or the next strong support, which was at 48,000 to 776. So we broke that also, and had that continued, we would have stopped at almost $45,000 per Bitcoin. That did not happen. We kind of recouped. So if you see this little green bar, that means that we went back up. So let's go and zoom in to the 4-hour chart, which is kind of my favorite chart to analyze the macro things happening. So this is the same thing. Each one of these bars is 4 hours. So we went from almost $60,000, guys, $58,000 all the way to 48. So that's $10,000, a $10,000 drop. So if you had invested one Bitcoin, you would have lost $10,000. Now, remember, you don't lose any money until you sell. So if you sold your Bitcoin after this crash, then of course you lost this amount. But if you're holding to it, you haven't lost anything. Now, let's explore what could happen. So as you can see, we have a strong support at $48,000. It could go lower than that. There are further supports. There's one at 45,000. So and here's the thing, guys, if Bitcoin goes back to $54,000, then we're safe. Nothing bad is going to happen. But if we crash below 48,250 and stay under that, then guys, this is something to be worried about. So right now we're lingering around 49,500. Now what happened? What caused this drop? Because it's not only Bitcoin. If you see, the same thing happened with Ethereum. We had Ethereum at $4,500, close to that, and now it's under $4,000. Well, Cardano it's dropping. It's not so bad. BNB went from 660 all the way to 598. Cake, oh my God, that's guys, that's one of my favorite altcoins. And let's see the graph. We went from $44 per cake. That was the all-time high, and then now we're at 36. So we lost around 22% in a span of 2 days. But the worst was today. And then we have all the other ones, the little altcoins. Even Dogecoin, it's going down. Now this is to be expected because we know, out of every other altcoin, Dogecoin is in a big bubble. And people will tell you we are in an everything bubble, especially if you are looking at the economy in the United States. The government is printing a lot of money, and by doing that, it inflates the price of everything, and that includes also crypto. And here's what's happening, guys. People are getting checks from the government, and they're almost not spending anything. They're not traveling. They're rarely eating out. So people are investing those checks into something that could generate a lot more money, and that's the stock market, and that is the crypto space. So what's happening now is that there's one big thing that happened, and if you haven't learned about what this is, it's not going to be too surprising, and it's exactly this. Elon Musk tweets that Tesla will not take Bitcoin anymore if you want to purchase a Tesla. So if you could say, I'm not going to take euros anymore, I'm sure the euro would not tumble down. But in crypto, at least for now, everything that Elon Musk says has a big influence on price. So what's the meaning of this? Basically, it's just a company that used to take Bitcoin and now is not taking it. And the reason behind this is because they build electric cars, and they are supposed to be pollution free, and quote unquote, because they are not. Electric energy comes from renewables, but a lot of that is produced by carbon emissions. So, but anyway, let's not step into that. So trying to keep that in mind, he's trying to promote clean energy, and then that Bitcoin is requires a lot of energy to do what it does, right? For every transaction and all the blockchain, maintaining the blockchain, it uses a lot of electricity. So Elon Musk said that a lot of that energy is not clean, and therefore it doesn't align with the values of Tesla. And had this been Ford or General Motors, that wouldn't affect the price of Bitcoin so much. But for some reason, Elon Musk has a lot of influence on the price of Bitcoin. So I could not find any other strong reason why this is happening. So for now, guys, if this is all that is pushing the price down, then this is temporary. Unless the big investors like the whales decide this is time to keep pushing the price down. And that's why technical analysis is important, guys. That's why we want to know at what price point should we sell, or whether we can be sleep happily and not be worried. So if you guys see here around here at 49,500, this is a really strong psychological support. It's not a strong support in terms of a technical analysis, because there's only 2 bars hitting it. But if we break below, if we stay below, not break, because we have already broken it. If you see this green bar, we have already broken below that, but we went back up. So if that is broken, then we can expect potentially the price of Bitcoin. So let's zoom out to the 1-day chart to go to 44,500. And if it breaks and stays below, let's say for a day below 45,000, then oh my god, the drop is steep. The next support would be around 37.5. So that's a very steep drop. Let's hope it doesn't come to that. Let's hope the market sees that if this is the only thing that happened, if it's just because Elon Musk said Tesla is not going to take Bitcoin anymore, then this will recoup. Now, there's potentially an agenda behind this. Elon Musk, guys, he's promoting Dogecoin. So he did not say, I'm not taking Dogecoin anymore for Tesla. Actually, he tweeted that he would be taking, I don't know if he's considering or he's already taking Dogecoin to buy a Tesla. And by him saying Bitcoin is bad, but Dogecoin is fine, he's pushing the price of Dogecoin up, or he's trying to. So I don't know if that's going to be happening, but let's see. Dogecoin, it's tumbling also. I would not touch Dogecoin for the time being. Potentially could go up. Maybe he's trying. He knows he has a lot of influence in the price of things. But I don't know if Dogecoin is a good thing to touch right now. If you already have it, then consider just keeping an eye on the price. It might go up if he can convince investors that Dogecoin is a better option than Bitcoin. That's a hard point to make. So with that, guys, I hope this video was useful. My conclusion of this is I'm not too worried about Bitcoin going further down because this appears to be the only reason. So this is this CEO saying his company will not take Bitcoin. So it's not like the government of the United States was saying we're not going to allow Bitcoin anymore. It's just this guy with a company. Yes, it's a great company, but that's all. So keep an eye on the price of Bitcoin. Don't be too scared. Actually, if you can, you can dollar cost average. And this is a good price, 49,500 to buy a little bit of Bitcoin. Or you can wait and see what's going to happen. But for now, I think this is it, guys. Hope this was useful. If it was, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can learn how to properly invest during the bull trends and the downtrends. See you next video. Bye-bye.